Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be sharing some amazing tips and tricks on how to rapidly increase your Instagram followers without using any apps. And stay tuned till the end, as we have some important advice on how your hard work on Instagram can truly change your life. Let's get started. Segment 1, Optimize your profile. The first step to gaining more followers is to optimize your Instagram profile. Here's what you need to do. 1. Choose a memorable username that represents you or your brand. 2. Craft a captivating bio that tells people who you are and what you do. 3. Use a high-quality profile picture that reflects your personality or brand. Segment 2, Engage with others. Building genuine connections with your audience is key. Here's how you can engage effectively. 1. Regularly like, comment, and respond to posts from people in your niche. 2. Follow and engage with accounts that share similar interests. 3. Participate in Instagram communities by using relevant hashtags and joining conversations in your niche. Segment 3, Consistent quality content. To attract and retain followers, you need to consistently post high-quality content. Here are some tips. 1. Find your unique style and theme to make your feed visually appealing. 2. Use high-resolution photos and videos that are well-lit and visually engaging. 3. Plan your content in advance and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Segment 4, Utilize Instagram features. Instagram offers various features to help you engage with your audience. Let's explore a few. 1. Instagram Stories, share behind-the-scenes moments, sneak peeks, or engage with polls and questions. 2. Instagram TV, create longer videos to provide more value and showcase your expertise. 3. Reels, utilize this short-form video feature to share entertaining and informative content. Segment 5, Cross-promote on other platforms. Leverage your existing audience on other platforms to gain more followers on Instagram. Here's how. 1. Share your Instagram handle on your other social media profiles, like Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube. 2. Embed your Instagram posts on your blog or website to increase visibility. 3. Collaborate with other influencers or creators for cross-promotion. Advice segment. Now, before we wrap up, let me share some important advice. Hard work on Instagram can truly change your life in several ways. 1. Personal branding. Instagram provides a platform to showcase your skills, passions, and talents. This can lead to opportunities for collaborations, sponsorships, or even career advancements. 2. Networking. Engaging with like-minded individuals on Instagram can lead to valuable connections and friendships that can benefit you personally and professionally. 3. Influence and impact. As your follower count grows, so does your ability to influence and inspire others. Use your platform to make a positive impact on the lives of your followers. Conclusion. That's all for today's video on how to gain more Instagram followers in no time, without using any apps. Remember, it's all about optimizing your profile, engaging with others, consistently creating quality content, utilizing Instagram features, and cross-promoting on other platforms. And don't forget, the hard work you put into Instagram can truly change your life in numerous ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see.